Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Sametop chest mount harness strap. It is compatible with the GoPro Session, AKASO DJI Osmo action cameras. So this one will give you the balance stability and comfort performance. So yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to Mia from their marketing team for sending me this. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you can check it out. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it and before you check out so you get a discount price with it. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and then check it out. So this one is the chest mount harness version 2.0. And it is made in China. So this one is the premium build quality, not no cheap one. So as you can see, right here is a adjustable buckle right here for your body, and then two over here for your shoulder. This is where you're gonna mount your GoPro or your AKASO DJI Osmo or Session. Nice strong elastic band. And here's the instruction. So if you're gonna wear this for biking or skiing or other water sports, you could also do so. So you gotta flip up the rubber, insert it, and push down the rubber to lock it back up. And and then you can adjust the angle. Like that, okay? So if you could pinch this tool right here for a quick release. Wow, that's a pretty awesome design. And look at the stitching on this. It's nicely done. So check out the AKASO. So I remove this base to test out this one. So you will need to use the base that came with it in order to film correctly, okay? But this one, when I put it on, the position is like this, and I cannot really adjust it.